Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited to share with you a summer list of books and other things that I want to accomplish. This is going to be more geared towards, of course, fun is always an option. I love fun. I'm a fun lover, but I also want to focus on some production things that I want to get done. And one of the things I really want to do is read more books. So I had a goal of 12 last year. I don't think I quite read that many, but I'd like to at least read one a month, if not two a month this year. That's my goal. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, if you are new here and you want to listen to Megan ramble all the time, then you need to subscribe because that is what's going to happen all the time. And you should subscribe anyways, just because I love you. Okay, now let's really get started. So yeah, I have wanted to, and I'm going to use the Journaling Doodle sticker book. This I purchased at Michael's. I think it sold at Hobby Lobby as well. I don't know if they still carry this one. I think they do though. It was released in January. Yeah. And then this one, the Colorful Boxes, was released in the March release. And the thing about Happy Planner sticker books, if there's a sticker book you want, buy it as soon as you can buy it because they don't necessarily always keep, like, you might not be able to find all these sticker books. Some of them go away forever and then, they release more because they can't keep up with obviously all of the sticker books. But, so if there's one you love, don't hesitate. I think this one is at Michael's though. Don't quote me on that. I think. Actually, it might not be. It might be just Joann's. Anyways, so yes, I would want to read more. And I have really been thinking about ways to do that. But also, I feel like it also sparks more than just reading. It sparks like a list of other things that when you read, your creative juices start flowing. And so I read in a very specific way. And I always read with a planner or paper or something beside me. Not always, but I should. Always. Like, if you don't, you should. Because I have found numerous times that I will regret not having something near me. See, this is almost rose gold, and I pulled gold out. Does that clash? It's gonna be okay. That I regretted not having it near me because I really need to have something to write stuff down because I will think of stuff while I'm reading and then I will want nothing more than to be able to do that. So now the thing about this is I am going to use a lot of these journaling doodle stickers because I feel as though they it's going to be fun to kind of add to it and write in and color it in. And some of this, again, is going to be more production based, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be fun too. So then what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to throw this one right here. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to the colorful boxes and I'm going to take, and when I'm doing stuff like this, I never put that much thought into like placement or I just throw down. And the reason why I do that is because it's just meant to be fun and, helpful tools and fun, but it's not something like you have to overthink about. So I am not trying to overthink about it. I'm just trying to accomplish some things on that task list. And so, yeah, I don't overthink it is really the bottom line. I'm kind of not digging the placement of this one though. Sorry, I'm gonna put you up there for a moment. I'm trying to find the colors that kind of blend in with the neutrals on the side, like the watercolorish. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is go down here. Now, a lot of people like, we always look for like the fitness books or the books dedicated to certain lifestyle things, which is great, but I do also want to remind you that many of the sticker books have um, lots of additional stickers like that in there. So you should check if you have a sticker book you love, check it first to make sure that you don't need what's in there. Okay. I like those, but those are too bright, I think. Yes, if you were curious, I am drinking coffee all the time, every day, all day. Just kidding, not all day, but I really do love coffee, and it could be that serious in my life. Okay. All right. So a few of the let's pull out these handy dandy pens, which I love. A few of the books that I am reading are right now I'm reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I'm gonna put that one up first. It's not gonna fit all the way on there, but the reality is that's what I'm reading. And if you want to do this like as you go, then great. But if you want to do it like right away, that's also great. It just kind of depends on, what your style is. What I will say is that you want a pen that's not going to bleed too much and that's going to be really easy to use on this. I'm using obviously the Erin Condren markers, which I've loved them. I have absolutely loved these markers. I think because I have horrible writing anyways, I don't know that it necessarily makes a difference, but I do feel like these write really well. But I love the colors of them, but I also love that they have the dual tips. So depending on what you're wanting to do, you know, the options are open. They're available. But yeah, what I love about the doodling stickers is that you truly can just make a page your own and you don't have to have a theme with it and you don't have to color everything in, but you can use your imagination to let these colors run wild. Look how fun that is. So fun. So yeah, just a great example of what you can do with these journaling sticker books and how diverse they can be with, again, depending on what you want to use them for. The sky is definitely the limit. So what I'm going to do here is, again, this is just going to be a great example of things I want to accomplish during the summer months. And as much fun as this is, I want to clean the garage. Which, this is so much fun adulting. That's what I want to do for summer. Clean the garage. That's my list of fun. No, but there's just things on here that I want to do, and that's what this is going to kind of be geared towards. It's going to be geared towards the things that I want to do to be able to enjoy my summer more well, productive things, reading the books. I really want to knock out 3 books over summer because I'm behind this year, so I want to like get that done. And as we all know, while summer's great, fall is Megan's favorite time of year. I mean, just ridiculously in love with fall. So that is definitely my favorite time of year. Question, oops. Question for all of you is, if I do a reading book list, would you want to be a part of that? That is my question of the day. And I have thought about some thoughts as to how this would work, but it would take place in the Facebook group that I have on Facebook. So if you would want to take part in it, let me know and join that group. The link will be in the comments. It will allow us to engage a little bit better. And it is what I'm going to start for some other opportunities that might open up with us being able to connect and engage. But I thought that would be the first step to be able to do that. So if you think you want to be a part of that, let me know in the comments below, and I will put something together on the next book that I start reading, and we will put a time limit on when to have that completed by. So, all right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Again, I'm going to continue to fill this out. Follow me on Instagram. I'll post a completed picture once I think of all the tasks that are really important to me. And I cannot wait to see you on the next video. Have a great rest of your day.